Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to saute spinach. The thing about sauteing spinach is you start off with a giant pile of spinach, and then after cooking it, you're left with, well, barely anything. That huge pile of spinach, and this is all I'm left with. Okay, I'm just kidding. But I'm being dramatic, but that's sort of what it's like. But, you know, about a pound of spinach is going to cook down to about 1 cup of cooked spinach. So that's the ratio that that you have to remember. About 1 pound equals about 1 cup cooked. So if you're going to be using cooked spinach in something, that's what you need to know. But let me show you how to actually saute spinach. Okay, so what you want to do is start off with a little bit of spinach in the pan. What's really important, no matter how much spinach you're actually sauteing, is I recommend having a pan that has some depth to it, because spinach likes to fly around when you're sauteing it. So you want to do it over a medium-high heat. And you can add oil if you want, honestly, but spinach is like 90% water, so you don't really need oil in my opinion. A few bits are gonna stick no matter what if you don't use the oil, but honestly, it's not required. So I added in, I like to use some tongs because I can then grab the spinach, flip it over. As that spinach cooks down, I just keep on adding in more spinach. And as I mentioned, 1 pound of spinach cooks down to about 1 cup. So this stuff heavily reduces. Add in some more now that that's cooking down. Just flip that over. You can see all the steam coming off. If you have the heat too low, it's gonna get really watery. And if you have it too high, all the spinach is gonna stick to the pan. So that's really important. I recommend medium-high, but you might have to adjust it based on how your particular pan transfers heat. And that's how you saute spinach. Yep, that's it, simple as that. Nice, delicious, tasty sauteed spinach. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If it's your first time watching, subscribe. If there's something that you wanna see, drop a comment below. See you next time.